Today, I will be showing you how to build a house in 0 AD. Building houses is important because it helps increase your population limit and keeps your civilization growing. First, click on the woman units in the game. These are the female worker characters, and they play an important role in building houses. Once you have selected the woman, look at the options on the screen and choose House as the structure you want them to build. After selecting the house, pick any available spot on the map where you want the house to be placed. Then, click to confirm. Next, select the woman again. Then, right-click on the house construction site to start the building process. You will see them walk over and begin constructing the house. Now, all you need to do is wait for them to finish building. As a quick tip, women units are faster at building houses, so they're the best choice for this task. And that's it. That is how you build a house in 0 AD. Thank you for watching.